Welcome to Day 9. This practice is designed to help you gain deeper insight into the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all beings. If this is your first day, I will recommend starting from day 1. The link will be in the description. Now, find your most comfortable position and gently close your eyes. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Make sure you keep your back upright but not uptight. Now, start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as it leaves. Allow your breath to be natural and easy, simply observing its rhythm. With each breath, let your body relax more deeply into this moment. There is nothing else you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Just be here, fully present. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the connection between your body and the earth beneath you. Notice any sensations that arise from the warmth of your skin to the weight of your body. Let these sensations ground you in the present. As you continue to breathe, gently shift your awareness to the mind. Notice the thoughts as they arise. Try not to engage with them or push them away. Simply observe them. Each thought is like a ripple on the surface of a pond, coming and going naturally. As you observe, start to notice the space between thoughts. This space is vast and calm, like the sky behind the clouds. It's always there, even when thoughts are present. Now, let's deepen this practice by contemplating on the nature of interconnectedness. All beings and all things are deeply interconnected, like a vast, intricate web where each thread influences the whole. Similarly, reflect on how your thoughts, actions, and even your breath are connected to everything around you. The air you breathe is shared by all beings, and each thought that you have is influenced by countless factors. As you breathe, contemplate on the idea that all things, including yourself, are empty of inherent, independent existence. This doesn't mean nothing exists. Rather, it means that everything exists interdependently, shaped by countless causes and conditions. A tree can only be grown when there are causes and conditions such as soil, sunlight, clouds, rain, etc. So, as you contemplate this, allow yourself to feel the deeper connection between yourself and all beings. There is no separation, only interdependence. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your thoughts, your sensations, and emotions. With this understanding of interdependence and emptiness, observe how your thoughts arise and pass away, influenced by countless conditions. Notice how your emotions, too, are not fixed or solid, but are fluid and ever changing, like waves in the ocean. These waves are not separated from the ocean, just as your thoughts and feelings are not separated from the web of life. Allow yourself to rest in this understanding, seeing yourself as a part of this vast, interconnected whole. In this space, there's no need to cling to thoughts or resist feelings. Simply observe them with compassion and understanding. Now, let's expand this insight into compassion. As you contemplate the interconnectedness of all beings, allow your heart to open with compassion for yourself and for others. Recognize that just as you experience thoughts, feelings, and challenges, so do all beings. So breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, send out a wish for peace and well-being to all beings everywhere. Imagine your breath carrying this wish, connecting you to the entire web of life. For the last few moments of our meditation, simply rest in this awareness, aware of your breath, aware of your thoughts, aware of your connection to all beings. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just be here, resting in this spacious awareness. Now, take a mindful breath in and slowly exhale. As you come back to the present, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this deep sense of interdependence and compassion with you as you move through your day. Remember, this insight isn't just for meditation. It's something you can carry with you, helping you see the world and yourself more clearly, with greater compassion and understanding. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. Tomorrow, we will meditate on the impermanent nature of reality. I look forward to continuing our journey together.